It's hard to say where the markets are headed next. Some people are saying that we have reached the bottom and it is now time to buy, while others believe that the market still has a ways to go before it reaches its full potential. So what should you do? Should you invest in stocks or cryptos? Or maybe both? In this video, we will explore the current state of the stock and crypto markets and try to answer the question: are we at the bottom, or is it time to buy? Also, we need to mention that none of these are financial advice. Do your research and invest at your own risk. So back to the video. The stock market has been on a roller coaster ride over the past few months. We've seen big gains, followed by sharp losses, and then more gains. It's been a volatile time for sure. But overall, the stock market is still up from where it was just a few years ago. So if you're thinking about investing in stocks, now may be a good time to do so. The markets have had a difficult year thus far. The largest weekly decline in the year for the US stock market occurred this week, and it resulted in a bear market, which is defined as a down of at least 20% from a recent peak. Investors are understandably concerned about how much worse it could get in the upcoming months, given that the Federal Reserve this week raised interest rates to their highest level in 28 years in response to record high inflation, ongoing tensions in Europe, and a historically tight housing market already in the first half of 2022. The crypto market has also been very volatile over the past few months. We've seen prices skyrocket and then come crashing down. But overall, the crypto market is still up from where it was just a few years ago. So if you're thinking about investing in cryptos, now may be a good time to do so. You can never be sure the market has reached the bottom. There are some indicators that sophisticated investors use to estimate the bottom, but your question would suggest that you are not one of them. Until you are confident of your ability to read and time the market, and if your investment horizon exceeds 5 years, I suggest you buy on a regular basis and let the principle of dollar cost averaging be your investment philosophy. Of course, nobody knows for sure. Who would have predicted in 2007 that cash in the bank would pay pretty much 0% for 13 years in most countries when inflation has been running at 3% or higher? Even when interest rates were lowered during the GFC, all the talk was about rates coming back up. Likewise, few people expected stocks to go on the run they have gone on. Of course, there is no guaranteed way to know where the markets are headed next. But if you're thinking about investing, now may be a good time to do so. The stock market and the crypto market both have a lot of potential for growth in the years ahead. So if you're willing to take on some risk, now may be a good time to invest in stocks or cryptos. Just remember to do your research and invest at your own risk. The bottom line is that no one knows for sure where the markets are headed. But if you're thinking about investing, now may be a good time to do so. The stock market and the crypto market both have a lot of potential for growth in the years ahead. So if you're willing to take on some risk, now may be a good time to invest in stocks or cryptos. Just remember to do your research and invest at your own risk. Thanks for watching. Hope you got some value. If so, make sure to subscribe to us for more videos and tap the bell icon to get notified with every new video from us. See you in the next video.